Welcome to my YouTube channel. Oh my god, I cannot believe that I'm saying that right now. The last time I was here was 70 years ago. Obviously, you guys can see the videos that I made prior to this one because I hit them. I'm going to do my makeup while I tell you a little bit about myself. And excuse my forehead, I've been breaking out, but little by little it's getting better. So my name is Jennifer Zaruma. I do makeup tutorials, I do skincare. Even though my skincare hasn't been the best, but I'm really trying to get it together with my skincare especially. My main platform is TikTok. That's where everything started. You guys can call me Jen. It's cute and simple and short. My birthday is September 28th. I am a Libra. I have 4 dogs. One of the dogs is my sister's dog. Unfortunately, she cannot have dogs in her apartment, so my father decided to bring him in. Now we have 4 dogs. The other 3 are miniature poodles. One of them come from Ecuador. And speaking about Ecuador, I am Ecuadorian, but I was born and raised in the Bronx, New York. So I live with my parents. I have an older brother who lives in PA. I have my sister who lives across the street from me. And then I am the last child. I am in a relationship. It's been 2 years that I've been with my partner. Like work-wise, I'm a medical assistant. I've been a medical assistant for 5 years. It's been a long time, but I honestly love it. One thing about me, I am not gonna do something that I'm not happy about. And I'm really glad that I am that way because I know so many people that they work and they just hate what they do. And thankfully, that's just not me. I love being a medical assistant. I think it's super fun. You learn something new every day. So I'm currently going through a job transition. I used to work on 59 Lexington. Not only was I working for an internist doctor, she was also doing cosmetic dermatology, do Botox, filler, PRP, chemical peels, all that good stuff. I sometimes have social anxiety. I don't know what it is, but something about being in a full room with people that I don't know, it just makes me very anxious. I've always been very shy, very closed off. And some people think that I might be BITCH. That is not the case. I'm just very shy. I honestly don't even know how to start a conversation with a person that I don't even know. I think that's one of the flaws that I might have. I wish I wasn't shy. I wish I could just start a conversation and just be very confident on my speaking, but sometimes I'm not. Let's talk about my parents. Well, my father migrated here to the USA, and shortly after that, he got his paper, he got his citizenship. He made a plan that within a year or so, he was going to bring my mom and my sister to the United States, which he did. Then shortly after my mom came here, she had me. Meanwhile, my brother was still in Ecuador. And when he was 18 years old, that's when he finally came to the United States. Kind of lived with us for a short period. After that, he went back to Ecuador to marry his wife and he brought her here. And they've been together ever since. I was on YouTube like 7 years ago. I did try, but I felt like it was just very draggy. Process was taking too long to edit the video, to upload the video. It was just not for me at that time. I was just going through a heartbreak. I was dealing with a F-boy at that time. YouTube wasn't my focus then, but at that time I was freelancing. I was a makeup artist. Did not last long. It was just maybe for a few months and then I just completely gave up. I wasn't sure I was good enough. Like I was just always doubting myself. And I think that was one of the reasons too why I stopped freelancing as a makeup artist. Years passed and then one day I decided to, you know what? Let me hit that record button on TikTok. I had a lot of time on my hands. So why not do it now. It's never too late. I really thought that, okay, I'm not in my early 20s anymore. I'm too old to do any TikTok videos, but honestly, you're never too old or never too young to start something that you love, especially when you're truly passionate about something. And at least you could say I try instead of like what if. Really trying to be consistent and branch out to, you know, TikTok, Instagram, and now YouTube. I'm obsessed with this palette. I'm not sure if it's still sold out yet. This palette is a limited edition. It only comes once a year. It's such a pretty palette. I'm gonna use the bronzer just to give a little bit of glowiness. Besides being shy, I am super friendly. I love to give advice. Do I plan to have any kids? Definitely not right now. I want to enjoy my youth until I can, and then maybe I can plan for kids later on. But as in right now, I do not want any kids. I can even support myself. So I'm just going with the flow, see where the wind takes me. And one thing about me, I love Makeup Forever lip liners. They are so creamy. And this is Limitless Brown in 608. And then I'm gonna go ahead, choose this NARS Cruella. It's a velvet matte lip pencil. Perfect. Is Marley. I'm not sure if you guys could see him. Choose the lightest concealer that I have. It has to be either between the or this eye base that I have. I put the tiniest dot on your lips. I don't have a clear gloss, but I'm gonna use this Maybelline lip gloss 002. It's called Ice Pink Nudie Lip Gloss. Just gonna apply it just like that. Gorgeous lip color. Honestly, this is like the perfect cherry cola lip. I just love it. I am so obsessed. My favorite mascara is from MAC, but I am done with this look. Let's put on some setting spray. I had so much fun making this video. Hopefully you guys got to know me a little bit better. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. For every person who watched this until the end, you are amazing and you deserve everything in the world. So, bye my angels.